question number 7. If the radius of the above circle, the circle that we have just used, is equal to 10 units, then they are asking us to find the sector area of AOC. This is the region AOC. Okay, so we need to get this sector area. So clearly this angle is known, so let me write this down. Area of sector is theta over 360 times pi times r squared. Now theta is 80 degrees and r is 10 units, so therefore area is 80 over 360 pi times 10 into 10. So 0 0 gets cancelled, 4 goes here 2 times, 4 goes here 9 times. So 2 times pi, 10 into 10 is 100 divided by 9. We can't do anything about that, so it's going to be 200 pi over 9 square units. So this is the area of sector AOC. So that's what is required here, right? Area of the sector AOC, and this is the area. Of course, for this condition, right, do not understand that the area of the sector was for the original circle. Now the dimension is changed.